Do you want to chat with Meta AI on Instagram? You can use Meta AI in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To chat with Meta AI on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the messages screen, where you will see your recent chats. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. Type Meta AI in the search box. You will see the official Meta AI chatbot appear in the search results. Just tap on it. Now, the Meta AI chat screen will open. Tap the message box at the bottom of the screen and type your question, prompt, or anything you want to ask. Once you finish typing, tap the send button. Meta AI will respond instantly, and you can continue chatting just like a normal conversation. You can also generate AI images by typing a prompt like, "Create an image of a girl working in a garden." Meta AI will start creating the image and send it to your chat. Now you can continue using Meta AI anytime from your Instagram chat list.